Usmania University is one of the very few institutions in the country which has been sanctioned the IPR chair by the Ministry of Industry and Commerce under its SPRUHA scheme, the main purpose of which is to sensitize the stakeholders regarding the importance of intellectual property and intellectual property rights. Today, on 31st October 2021, is the first day of the program launched by the IPR chair, Usmania University, sanctioned by the department, that is DPIIT. Before I formally welcome and acknowledge all my dignitaries and colleagues, I would like to tell you briefly about Usmania University. Usmania University is one of the few universities in the country which has completed 100 years, and it is accredited with A+ grade by NAAC for a record period of 7 years from 2017 to 2024 with graded autonomy. Usmania University is the 7th oldest in the country and 3rd oldest in South India. It was established in the year 1918, and the vision of Usmania University is to generate and disseminate knowledge through a harmonious blend of ancient and modern wisdom, and to serve the society by developing the scientific temper among the students. The importance of which has been increasing consistently for the last so many decades has been realized by Usmania University, and today Usmania University offers number of programs relating to intellectual property rights in the law department, in the LLB curriculum, LLM specialization, then in the technology department as part of the MBA technology management, in faculties of engineering and technology, and also science as an elective. Therefore, the IPR culture in Usmania University is very strong. Be that as it may, earlier the UGC New Delhi conferred the status of university with potential for excellence on Usmania University, and as part of that particular scheme, the university established a center for facilitation of intellectual property rights and patents, and we could do some significant work in the subscription of and I have to thank my learned friends like Professor Shobhkumar and Vijay Kumar for suggesting those, and many of the scholars and teachers got benefited from it. Today, the Usmania University is spread over a campus of 1,300 acres, campus colleges, 5 constituent colleges, 5 district PG colleges, 16 research centers, 9 academic centers, and a knowledge library named after Dr. B. Ambedkar, consisting of 5.5 lakh books and 5,005 rare manuscripts. The university has faculties and 53 departments, and it offers 27 UG programs, 68 PG programs, 24 PG diplomas, doctoral research programs, and 15 certificate programs. The university has a center called Professor G. Ram Reddy Center for Distance Education, which also offers quite a number of programs of contemporary importance. It is the largest affiliating university in Asia with 720 affiliated colleges with an enrollment of 3.2 lakh students, and including foreign students from more than 81 countries. The university conferred honorary doctorate degrees to many eminent persons, including Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Dr. Manmohan Singh. Now about the DPIIT IPR chair at Usmania University. In the year 2016, the Department of Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade, that is DPIIT, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, had launched the SPRUHA scheme, that is the scheme for pedagogy and research in IPRs for holistic education and academia to encourage the study of and education in and also research on intellectual property rights. And the motto to inculcate a budding respect for one's own intellectual property and also for that of others in eligible institutions. It's a matter of immense pride that along with other institutions that was established at Usmania University in year 2021 under the SPRUHA scheme. The primary objective of the IPR culture is to achieve the objective of national IPR policy, which is to strengthen IP chairs in educational institutions of higher learning to provide quality teaching and research, develop teaching capacity and curricula, and evaluate their work on performance-based criteria. The DPIIT chair at Usmania University looks forward to collaborate with other academic and research institutions and also industry to promote effective utilization of IPRs by bridging the gaps between academia and industries. This is the first program, a long list of programs to be organized by the Usmania University chair. And the Usmania University various departments include extend their institution for the purpose of carrying out the activities of the scheme. And in this, we have the privilege of having some of the eminent speakers and experts in the field of intellectual property rights. And we have with us Professor B.C. Vivekanandan, an IPR expert par excellence and Vice Chancellor of Hidayatullah National Law University, and formerly he was the IPR chair in Nalsar University. Then Sri G. R. Raghavendra Garu, Joint Secretary, Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India, an expert in intellectual property rights in general, copyright, and who has been mainly instrumental in amending the Copyright Act to a great extent. 2012. Certificate, IPR attorney, an expert in intellectual property rights and also cyber laws. One of the in this particular field, in the field of legal profession in Hyderabad and other states. We also another very eminent speaker, Sri M. Vijay Kumar, is also an IPR attorney, trademark agent. One of the few technical members appointed to the Intellectual Property Appellate Board, Government of India. Till recently, he had been the technical member of IPAB. And we also have with us Professor G. Manesham, Dean Development and UGC Affairs, Usmania University, who is one of the best teachers and a leading light in the field of research and pedagogy. We have with us Professor Dr. G. Vinod Kumar, Dean Faculty of Law, Usmania University, and he has been with us in all the wonderful academic programs. We have with us Dr. M. Venkateshwarlu, Department of Law, and equally proficient in the field of intellectual property rights, and he is with us to make this program a great success. From the law department, we have our principal, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, Vice Principal, Dr. Radhika Yadav, then the Principal of Law, Dr. Anuradha Gumani, Dr. T. Aparna, Chairperson, Board of Studies, then Dr. N. Ram Prasad, Director, Legal Cell, and a galaxy of our faculty members. And on behalf of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor B. Ravinder, the Chief Patron of this DPIIT Chair, and on behalf of Usmania University, on behalf of DPIIT Chair, Usmania University, and on my personal behalf, I have great privilege in extending a warm welcome to all the dignitaries to this inaugural session.